Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. Today's video we have the 174th flyover of the Lucid factory in Casa Grande, Arizona. I want to start off by saying sorry I haven't been around. It's going to be like that until I'm a millionaire and I can hire people to do what I'm doing. The Turo business is booming. We've been buying more and more cars and expanding. We are sitting at 61 cars. We've got another one coming in this week, so we're just getting bigger and bigger. We've started private rentals also. We've got a web page. It is called snapcars.com, and it's snap cars with a Z, snapcarz.com. So if you're in the Phoenix area or if you are flying into the Phoenix area, we have pickup available at Sky Harbor International Airport. So you won't get to meet me because I won't be there because we do contactless pickup. But we have about 160 cars between me and my partner. So check it out. Do me a favor. Help support me, because we have to do this to make money, because we are not making money on YouTube. And maybe that's my own fault, but hey, we've put out a lot of videos for you guys, and I hope they've been useful for you. But it is what it is. So what we have today is a flyover of the Lucid factory. You're going to see not too much has changed. They've closed up a bunch of walls. There's still a lot of cars out there. There's a lot of Pures out there. Speaking of Pures, the one I have on order, I was assigned a VIN number yesterday, and honestly, I'm still not sure if I'm going to buy it. The electric cars on Turo don't do quite as well as the gas-powered cars, and they cost more, and the return is probably about the same. So I've got 5 electric cars right now, and I'm still debating. It's like, I'm going to say like 20% says just buy the car and deal with it. 80% says don't buy the car, you're going to lose money. And then there's like 40% that says, you know what? It's a Lucid Air Pure. It's going to be kind of cool. It's going to be a nice car. Then there's like another 10% that says, I don't want to screw over Lucid and have them lose another sale. Not that they like me or anything. So that's why it's only 10%. And then there's like another 45% that just says, I don't know what to do. I know if I asked you guys would all say, buy the car. But it's one of those things where I'm just not going to make any money on it. So I'm still debating. And you guys will find out in the coming weeks whether or not I get the car. So anyway, sit back, enjoy the video, hit the like button, check out snapcars with a Z.com. Maybe that's we should rename it, snapcars with a Z.com. A little long. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. We have time to get out there. So enjoy. Now, let's go fly.